Just making some nut milk this morning with 𝐎𝐩𝐭𝐢𝐬𝐿. I'm going to make a carrot cake smoothie. Yum. So I'm making a carrot cake smoothie. This is a recipe that my dad sent me this morning. He must have found it in the newspaper. So I thought, oh yeah, give that a go. So this is what happens when you don't use a spoon for the cinnamon and pour it in freehand. Way too much went in there. And now I'm just gonna try and get it out. Okay, I'm gonna chuck some Botanic Blends lemon cheesecake flavour protein powder in there as well. I think that will give it pretty yum flavour. Okay, so the recipe calls for nut butter, like a almond butter, but I'm gonna use Noya hazelnut butter for this one. So it calls for frozen banana, but all the bananas I have frozen are pretty manky. So I'm just using a fresh banana, and I put some ice blocks in there as well. Also chuck some medjool dates in there, and it calls for oats, but yuck. I don't really like oats, so I'm gonna skip that bit. I'm gonna blend it up now. So it's all done. That's what it looks like. Cool colour. Now time for the taste test. Okay, Josh is going to be the taste tester this morning for the carrot cake smoothie. Is it good? Okay. Must be alright if you keep drinking it.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Is it too
really
cinnamony?
No, it's perfect.
Woohoo!
I'm going to drink yours as well.
No, you're not.